How to create an account of GoDaddy. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video of TechTube. GoDaddy is a company that lets you register your domain and also host your domain. If you're trying to create a domain or host your domain, then GoDaddy is a great website. To create an account of GoDaddy, you'll need to search for godaddy.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to the website. From here, click on the sign in button that you see on the top. Once you click on it, this menu will open up. Now instead of sign in, you can click on create an account. Now there are three ways that you can create an account. Either you can use your Facebook account, Google account, or your email. For this video, I'm going to use the email. In the first box, type in your email address. And in the second box, create a username. Lastly, you'll need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you typed in all of this information, click on create account. And there you go. As easy as that, your account of GoDaddy now has been successfully created. So that was a quick and easy video. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.